Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I have these are like bike lights. So I'm gonna show you what we got here. Let's see what these all are. So it looks like it comes with 4 lights, but it should be 2 sets. So let me just check and see. So let's see. These two look the same. They all kind of look the same from the. Oh no, they look a little different. Let's see what they look like. Let's open them up. Let's see what they look like and how they would work. So I guess it's got the little clip here, but let's see. Okay, so here we put the light on. So this one's like got a red light, and then I guess pushing it again, it flashes. So you can have a flashing light, and then a slow flashing light. So this is kind of good. You can put it on like your back of your bike, and then I'm guessing maybe hold it down. Yeah, to turn it off. Okay, and then to clip it onto the bike, you would put this little rubber thing around the seat post or whatever, and then you've got that little clip right here, and then it'll just clip on down into it. I guess you probably have to pull it a little bit, and there, now it's clipped in. So that's kind of it. So it's pretty cool. Nice little convenient one. So that's this one. Let's see, what's the other one that looks slightly different? That one looks the same. And it comes with a little charger too. So it comes with a little, looks like micro USB. Let's see, where is it there? Micro USB to USB. I don't know why that little micro USB, there it is in focus. So let's see what this other one looks like here. It looks like there's 2 sets. So how it works. So this one here, you can put it on your hair handlebar. So like, yeah, it's like the way I have this one here, it would be like around the seat post, it goes this way. And then let's pretend that this one here is over my handlebar that goes this way. And then you can slide it in sideways like this. And then let's push the button on that. See, now it makes it different colors. So you can have red and blue maybe. I think that's what color that is. Where this one here was just red and red. So that's a difference, I guess, front and versus back or something like that. Different lights. Pretty bright. I don't know, you guys probably can't tell from there, but it's shining across the room here. So pretty cool. So I like it. So thumbs up for me on these. Very cool. So looks like you get 2 sets, and it comes with all the different little chargers and everything, so you can get it going. So thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.